Picture this. It's Wednesday afternoon. $47 hits your bank account. You didn't work. You weren't even thinking about money, and you think, wait, is passive income actually real? Here's the thing. Most passive income content is either fantasy or cynicism. Make $10,000 sleeping. Or there's no such thing as passive income. Both are wrong. My name is Jack. If you want to build actual passive income, hit subscribe. Let's be clear. Passive income isn't actually passive. It's deferred work. You work up front, then you collect money without doing more work. That's it. Most people miss this. They think passive means zero effort. So they buy crypto courses, expect nothing to happen, get frustrated, and quit. They never build anything. Real passive income needs three things. First, upfront work or capital. Second, a system that generates money without daily effort. Third, time. Usually 6 months to a year minimum. With that locked in, here's the reality. $1,000 a month happens through boring strategies, which is exactly why they work. Strategy 1. Dividend investing. Invest money into stocks that pay dividends. The S&P 500 historically pays about 2% annually. To make $1,000 a month from dividends, you need roughly $600,000 invested. Big number. But you don't start there. You build toward it. Invest $500 monthly for 20 years. The work is front-loaded, then you mostly leave it alone. Strategy 2. Rental real estate. Buy a property. Rent it out. Collect monthly payments. A typical rental generates $1,500 to $2,000 gross rent. After taxes, maintenance, and insurance, maybe $800 to $1,000 net monthly. The upfront work is real. Finding property, managing tenants, handling repairs. Strategy 3. Digital products or content. Create something once, sell it forever. A course, template, ebook, or YouTube channel. Most fail because they solve problems nobody cares about. But when they work, powerful. A friend made a spreadsheet template. $29 per sale. Takes 10 minutes to send. After 2 years, $40,000 earned. Here's what people miss. These aren't mutually exclusive. Real passive income usually combines strategies. $150,000 in stocks, generating $250 monthly. Rental property generating $600 monthly. Digital product generating $150 monthly. Total, $1,000. The timeline is 2 to 3 years minimum. That's just math. After 3 years at $500 monthly investment, you've contributed $18,000. Not huge, but year 4 and 5, compounding kicks in. Things accelerate fast. The real shortcut is this. Boring strategies work. Dividend investing works. Real estate works. Digital products work. They all work. You just need to pick one and stay consistent. If this helped, hit subscribe and comment which strategy resonates most. Because the person building passive income in the next 3 years is probably watching this right now.